Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the Cooking Nuts, and in today's video we're going to be making a garden salad. So I will not be speaking a lot today, and I'm just going to just ask you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and just leave me a comment. Also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any new uploads. Let's go. So I have this greeny leafy lettuce that is a little bit soft than the other one that is more like a cabbage. I have two onions, a red one and the yellow one. And then I have these two cucumbers just to make sure you don't get confused when you go to buy. They are both cucumbers. And then I'll be having some sweet pepper, the red one, the yellow one, and the green one. And then I'll be having a carrot. I have an avocado. I'm going to show you where you need an avocado. And then I'll be using some tomatoes. I have these like the hard type of tomatoes. So if you can like get access to cherry tomatoes, much better because they are like they give it a more freshy taste and they are really juicy. Yeah. So I'll start by chopping my onions. I start with the yellow ones. This onion, the white one, is a little bit like relaxed, chili, and a bit sweet, as opposed to the red one. The red one is like too oniony, so it's the one that usually gives you that bad odor, like when you bad breath. Yeah, so it's a little bit strong. So what I'm going to do to curb that, I'm going to chop all these onions, separate them so that each one of them is like independent, and put them in a bowl, and then I'll soak them in some vinegar and water. If you can do it for at least 30 minutes before, much better. But if you can't do it, it's also, or if you can't have vinegar, you can also just soak them in water, like wash them in water. So that's what I'm going to do and set them aside until I am done, chopping everything up together for the salad. I don't prefer the pickled ones, like the canned ones, because then they are like not so fresh for me. Yeah, but if those are the ones you have, I think they're also good. So I'm just going to set this aside, just there, not in the fridge. And then I'll go on and chop the rest of the ingredients. Just chop my tomatoes into small cubes. So chop my bell peppers because of the health benefits and the color. Yeah, the color. I'm one of those people who feed with my eyes just before I actually tap into the food. So most of the times you'll catch me designing my plate, like spending a lot of time designing my plate more than I spend on eating. I'll take like 30 minutes designing a plate and 8 seconds eating the food. So yeah, just chop the bell peppers. And also I'd love to say that whatever vegetables you have, you can just use them. So I'm just going to like give this a rough peel because I love my cucumbers with some peeling, but because this salad is not mine alone and some people in this place don't like unpeeled cucumbers, I'm just going to give it a rough peel. Stays with my touch and also the other people's taste. So I have this vegetable peeler that has a beautiful cutter down. So it gives it like a good shape. Yeah. Aesthetically, it comes out perfect. But if you have just a knife, you can just use that to chop your cucumbers. And I'll be using it to chop even the carrots. I mean, look at that. That's like not a cucumber, but a cucumber, but yeah, beautiful. So peel my carrots because no one wants to be eating the hard part of carrot skin. use the same cutter to chop the carrots because yes, aesthetics. My eyes feed fast. Yeah. So once that is done, you realize I'm adding everything into the bowl, one large mixing bowl, and then I'll give my lettuce a rough chop. I think you can replace this with some cabbage if you can't get it, if you can't get like lettuce wherever you are, or just any green leafy vegetables that you can eat raw. So usually the salads have like that dressing that has, the most common one has like mayonnaise or some cream, just to make it a little bit, stick together. So I'm going to be using avocado for that. I'm just putting a little so that it's not all watery or all over the place and overshadowing the rest of the ingredients. So yeah, I'm just going to scoop it from a side and then add it in. And now I'll season my thing and my bowl with a little bit of salt, some black pepper. There's no such thing as too much black pepper. Yep. And then I'll add in a tablespoon of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And then I'll go in with also a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Whichever type of apple cider vinegar you have, it will work just perfect. So once all that is in, I'll go in with my onions. Don't forget them. Yeah. And plus that tangy or savory taste from the vinegar and water mixture, these are like perfect. And also the red onions have lost some color, if you notice. That's okay. Just go in with my wooden spoon and mix everything together. That's the dressing we are having today. That's all we have. Almost the most subtle salad dressing you'll ever get. So I think this is like so easy to make at home, and you just chill it in the fridge and have it any time of the day. I hope this video was really helpful for the people who love eating fresh and would love a salad anytime. And I hope you also notice how that cut on the carrot comes through, on the cucumbers come through. Like the picture before you eat is perfect. I'll see you soon in my next video, guys, and I hope you subscribed already. Bye.